pizza. So first ingredients, no laughing and no screaming. First we need tomato paste, then we need mushroom, then I need my favorite meat. We need some more. Guys, then more tomato sauce. I am doing this properly now. Then why there is fruit on it?
It's not fruit. Tomato.
First we add meat, guys. I want to make a happy face. So now we have to put some Biltong. Biltong is my favorite. So these are the eyebrows, Nya's eyebrows. I'm making a happy face. These are my favorite. Now we have to add some cheese for now. Some mushrooms for mommy, some panda. Mommy loves mushrooms. I almost fell.
See?
The face, the cheeks are ready. Zazi's one is ready. So these, mommy's little one likes this one. Mine is happy. So all the ingredients are finished. So let's go put it in the oven for today. Now let's take it to the oven. Look. Don't eat my pizza when on. Don't eat my pizza. Don't eat my pizza. Mama, all is going up the table.